In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a bank account to your Squarespace payments. By the end, you'll have your billing details saved in Squarespace and your payment processor connected so payouts can land in your bank account. Have your business details and bank routing and account numbers ready, and make sure you're signed in with an administrator account. Start on the Squarespace account dashboard. From there, open your dashboard and choose the site you want to set up. Click Go to Website to enter your site's backend. You'll land on the Website Manager where we can access all the commerce and billing options. Next, open the area labeled Products and Services, then select Products. From the left-hand navigation, look for your site's settings. Inside Settings, find Billing. This is where Squarespace stores your billing address and payment information for your account. Click Payment Information, then choose Add Payment Method. Before you add any cards or payment sources, set a proper billing address. Click into Billing Address and fill out the required fields: your full name, country or region, and your street address and postal code. Accuracy matters here. Use the legal name and address that match your bank and tax records. When you're done, click Save Billing Address. If you don't save, Squarespace may prompt you to confirm leaving later, so it's best to lock this in now. With the billing address saved, locate the Payment Method section to confirm your Squarespace account payment method is set. This part covers how you pay Squarespace for subscriptions and services. It's separate from how your store accepts customer payments and how you receive payouts. To set up customer payments and connect your bank account for payouts, we'll move to your commerce settings. Head back to your site settings and open Selling. If you see a prompt asking you to leave the current page, click Leave to continue. Your billing address is already saved. Inside Selling, choose Payments. This page controls how your store takes payments online and how you get paid. Select Connect a Payment Processor, then make sure you're on the Online tab so we can set up e-commerce payments for your site. You'll see options for Stripe and PayPal. Stripe is the recommended route for credit and debit card payments and is the easiest way to connect your bank account for payouts. PayPal is also supported if you want to offer PayPal checkout to customers. Click Stripe to start and then click Connect. Squarespace will redirect you to Stripe's secure onboarding. Here, you'll review or create your Stripe account, provide your business details, verify your identity where required, and add your bank account for payouts. Enter your bank's routing and account numbers carefully, and make sure the account holder name matches your legal or business name. If your bank offers instant verification, you can use it. Otherwise, Stripe may send small deposits to confirm the account. Complete the steps Stripe presents, submit, and you'll be returned to Squarespace with Stripe showing as connected. If you also want to enable PayPal, click PayPal, and then connect to sign in and authorize your store. Just remember, payouts and bank connections for PayPal are managed in your PayPal account settings, while Stripe handles bank payouts directly from Stripe. Back in Squarespace, confirm your payment processor shows as connected on the Payments page. A quick tip: if your store is not yet live, you can still complete this setup so you're ready to take orders the moment you publish. Also, ensure the country you selected for your billing address matches the region supported by your chosen processor. That's it. Your billing address is saved, your payment processor is connected, and your bank account is ready to receive payouts. If anything doesn't look right, retrace the steps on the Payments page and reconnect, or open your processor's dashboard to verify your bank details. Thanks for following along, and happy selling.